In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Stan Store. First, log into your Stan Store account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel and click on My Store. This is where you manage everything your customers will see. At the top, you'll find a button that says Add Product. Click that, and you'll see a list of different product types you can create. From this list, choose Digital Product, since that's what we're focusing on. You'll now be inside the product editor. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a live preview of how your product will appear in your store. Keep an eye on this as you make changes, because it helps you visualize exactly what your customers will experience. Next, choose a style for how your product will be displayed. You can pick between a simple button, a callout, or a preview style. Once you've chosen the style, click Choose Image. A pop-up will open with some images available inside Stan Store, or you can upload your own. To upload, click Upload Image, find the image on your computer, and click Open. You'll be able to adjust the crop so the image fits nicely. When it looks good, click Use this photo. Now add your text. Start with a clear, benefit-driven title. For example, Get this template now. Under that, add a helpful subtitle, like We'll deliver this file right to your inbox. Then edit the button text so it matches your offer. You can use phrases like Get this template, Download here, or Download now. Make sure it's short and action-oriented. Click Next to move to the checkout page editor. Here you can add another image if you like, again using Choose Image. Then write a detailed description of your digital product. Rich text is supported, so you can use paragraphs, headings, and formatting to make it easy to read. Below that, customize the bottom title and your call to action button so they match your branding and tone. Now, set the price for your product. If you want to offer a discount, toggle the discount option on and enter the discounted amount. This is great for promotions or limited time offers. Next, edit the fields you're collecting from your customers. Name and email are always required and cannot be removed since they are needed to deliver the product. If you'd like to collect more information, click Add Field and choose the type of field you want. Then upload your digital file. You have two options. You can redirect customers to a URL, which is useful if the file is hosted elsewhere. Just paste the URL and add your product name, or you can upload the file directly. Click Upload, choose the file from your computer, and click Open. Wait for the upload to complete. Once everything looks good and your file is fully uploaded, scroll down and click Publish. Your digital product is now live on your Stan Store and ready for customers to buy.